joining us into today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for over 3.5 years now. And what I do in my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action. And I also give you guys any trading ideas or trading concepts, especially trading opportunities that I am specifically planning to probably take on the day depending on what price actually gives to me now. Okay, with that being said, sit back, relax, let's get right into today's session. Okay, traders, so starting off with some updates, this is actually a screenshot. Don't be worried or shocked why is it moving. Yesterday we had it, like, not yesterday, we were actually always anticipating for a bullish momentum move towards the upside for EJ, okay? And then price actually beautifully went and take out both of those targets already. Okay, so right now price is flying even higher for EJ. So I just wanted to let you guys know EJ was a very successful trade. CADJPY, unfortunately, I didn't place the screenshot. I thought I did because I did a live stream today on TikTok as well. You guys can follow me on my TikTok page if you like. I planning to do live streams over the on during afternoons. So basically, London session I will be doing in TikTok, and then New York session I'll be doing on YouTube, but I may change that. Okay, it depends. Maybe YouTube I will do London session soon, and then TikTok I will do New York session. Sorry, I'm getting confused with the sessions. I want to show you guys about CADJPY. Give me a moment. Nauticad camera. Yes, Nauticad. How can I help you? I took a screenshot. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, make sure you guys can see what I'm showing you. There. So remember the overall look, right? Yeah, I really wish like the screenshot was here. It's much more easier to see. But this is CADJPY. You guys remember the trendline liquidity? Okay, the ultimate target. Everything has been taken out. Okay, so CADJPY is such an amazing and beautiful trade. Everything played out. Of course, I myself I got out of the trade because of this sideways momentum. But I'm still very happy in terms of how the trade overall played out, right? Which is tremendously beautiful. So it says CADJPY. Euro USD. Okay, so this one, right, there is a bullish opportunity right now, and then there are targets right above price, but I need to wait at least until 10 p.m. The reason being is because I want to wait and see if we are still bullish or bearish depending on the closure. I may or may not enter during Asia session, New York session later on. It will depend on what I see in price. But as of now, I am bullish, but I'm waiting for Euro USD. Um, this one, unfortunately, it right now currently is bearish lah. So the zone may not hold for Euro CAD. I was really so close to entering this. Actually, I did enter this because I did put a buy limit order. So the moment my price went up this level and then coming down a bit, I closed because when I reanalyzed the market based on other time frames, bears were actually present. So I'm quite happy that I did that. I wouldn't have been stopped out because SL is just below this level, but definitely drawdown lah. Okay, so this one initially I was buys, focusing on buys. That still can happen, but it depends on how the candle will close later on. Maybe 10 o'clock I can check also. But as of now, bears are present. I'll show you guys some trading opportunities like this one. So Euro GBP, there is a potential trading opportunity for a buying model. You can see, okay, there is a zone within this level. Price come back inside, and then right now we're shooting up. Okay, there is opportunity. Definitely, based on smaller time frame, it will be better for us to wait and identify if we can focus on buys or not. But there is a good opportunity for a buying opportunity, for a buying model. Keep saying opportunity for Euro GBP. Sorry, traders, I never sleep enough today. Okay, so you know what? I add a new pair. I never traded silver before. I highlighted this during my TikTok live stream as well. 3.5 years of trading, I never trade silver at all. Okay, I thought of trying it out because, like, why not, right? I've heard about silver before. Some people say movement is very slow. Some people say quite good the movements. Some people say it's expensive to play. Some people say it's not. There's so many this and that. I receive feedback about silver, but personally myself, I realized that you know what, I never tried once or so. So I wanted to try. As you can see, market didn't give me the first opportunity here, but I did found a second zone, primary zone here. where potentially what I'm focusing on is for the alarm to go off, and I want to see if bulls will be present or not. If I can put below this low, okay, for a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So this is what I am anticipating for silver to play out, but definitely I will have to wait for price to come back inside of this level first prior to making a move towards the upside if price really wants to go up still. Okay, last but not least, this is NZD USD. This is another bullish opportunity. Okay, this one also same thing. My buy limit got taken in, and then I cut off the trade during this level. The reason being is because I see not a very significant, but bull bears were present. Okay, so I don't like to see that because you can see if market just move like this, ASEAN down, up. Okay, we are basically making this trend down, up, down, up. Not exactly like this, but you can see that somewhat it down, down, down. That means we are moving down already. Okay, so bears are present. Therefore, I want to hold off first this trade, and I'm waiting for something specific to happen. I again maybe by 10, maybe by 9 this one p.m. Once the candle close, I'll be able to understand if I can still focus on buys or not. But I am primarily focusing on buys for NZD USD. I'm just waiting right now. Okay, what did we go through already? This one we went through already. Okay, UGPY. Did we go through UGPY? I think no, right? Okay, but I want to show you guys. This was such a very beautiful move towards the upside. We did go to UGPY. Okay, so let's go through the sideways momentum. So yesterday we highlighted Euro NZD for sideways momentum. This is considered as a break. I would consider this as a break, but definitely not strong enough for me to get a better confluence where I want to focus on sales right now. Definitely is not that strong, but it is considered as a break. So we will still have to hold off for this trading opportunity for Euro and ZD. But overall, bears are currently present, and we do have liquidity levels which we can potentially be aiming for. You see, we have a very nice, beautiful fair value gap here. We also got one that has not been touched by price, so probably that's where price is heading. Hi teacher, I saw your TikTok. Like, oh, awesome! Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate that so much. Now you guys can have 2 live stream sessions from me if you guys can join London session also. Okay, so traders, so this one we still hold off. As of now, bears are present. Okay, gold. I want to highlight to you guys, this is what I did during my TikTok session. Okay, gold is potentially moving in a sideways momentum. So I would advise you guys to stay away from gold as of now and wait for one of these zones to get demolished prior to probably focusing on either buying opportunity or selling opportunity. As of now, hold off lah. I also holding off my trades for gold. I almost wanted to enter for gold. Following up, USD JPY. Very interesting about crypto. Now later I will show you guys. USD JPY, we focusing on a buying opportunity yesterday all, and then both of the targets has already been taken out. So if any of you guys were focusing on this potential trading opportunity where we highlighted yesterday during the live stream, congratulations to you guys. I really hope you guys were able to learn something from what we analyzed and what I showed you guys before the move happened. Are you going to cover for the same topic in both live, teacher? Okay, very good question. Yes, I am going to cover the same topic. Essentially, it's just my analysis, but it will be a little bit more beneficial if you guys can join both. The reason being is because I will be analyzing London session live versus like now if I analyze and I share with you is London session after everything happened. Even right now, also still consider London session here. Right. So if you guys are able to join my TikTok as well, you can actually watch me analyze Asia pre-London session and towards Asia, and I can analyze that for you, so you guys can learn a lot more pertaining to price action. But again, I understand not everybody is free at the time, so if you guys are available, you guys can consider to join me. I don't have my TikTok handle in the description below, so maybe after this video I will include it lah, so you guys can follow if you like. Okay, teacher, I will join for awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the support. Okay, so today, so UTJPY very successful. GBP NZD, we were focusing on this selling opportunity. We were overall bullish by said member. There is a selling opportunity to these two close by targets. Price tick came up to this level. Never go inside the zone.
but we moved all the way towards the downside and taken out both of our targets. So this is another very successful trade for GBP and ZD. AUD JPY. Okay, yesterday we highlighted for this bullish opportunity. Price went and take out both of the targets. Another successful trade. Euro AUD. This one is bullish opportunity waiting for a zone. This one nothing much now. We just around this level only. There, I'm still waiting for a zone. I don't see a zone yet. Yeah, I don't see a zone yet, traders. So nothing much as of now for Euro AUD. Yeah. Okay, how is this one playing? Okay, so far still there. Okay, silver almost. I will wait and see when it comes at this level. Okay, this one also I just have to wait until 9 or 10 to understand the candle closure. Okay, let's jump right to crypto. Look at crypto. All of it broke through the sideway range already. So we are bearish right now. So that's a good thing, traders. We're just waiting for a zone now because we don't want sideway. Trust me, we don't want sideway. Finally, market break through the sideway already, and for all of them, see ETH will broke through. He is going back, but if we go back in this sense, it's not considered sideway already lah. Okay. So essentially, we were bearish. I need to wait until 9 or 10 to understand if we are changing bullish or not. But as of now, still bearish. Dogecoin, same thing traders. We broke through the zone. Okay, we are using this zone as a support range, but definitely I don't see. Yeah, I don't. Okay, there is one lah. Wait, let me check for a while. Okay. So we do have another zone here for potential selling opportunity because I do see certain bears actually currently in the market right now. So probably we'll be moving down, but I'm not focusing on crypto space for now. I want to wait until 9 or 10 personally, in my opinion. Good evening, sir. Hello, Mel. Thank you for joining. There's another live in the afternoon. I guess I've missed it. Oh, no worries, no worries. I'm updating everything here, so don't worry. You can just replay it. I just wanted to start in TikTok as well. That's why I see how many more traders I can have on there. Okay, traders. So overall, I am bearish, but I may not enter right now because I want to wait until 9 or 10. Then I will see really who is in control. But overall, I see bears present enough for Dogecoin. BTC is the same thing, traders. Broke through the level. All of the crypto space broke through the sideways momentum. So that's a very beautiful thing. I know we are trading inside the level again, inside the zone. But as of now, even for BTC, we do have a zone here. Okay, so yes, bears are bears present. Let me see. Okay, for BTC, right? Actually, bulls are present right now. Okay, so definitely this zone I will be removing. I don't want you guys to focus on any selling opportunity. So we need to wait and see how price will potentially react. Hopefully, it won't go inside this zone and then continue another sideways momentum. Let's pray together and let's hope that doesn't happen. Okay, so essentially crypto side, I don't have any trading opportunities for you. But the forex side, there are NZD USD. We just have to wait, okay, for certain candles to close properly so that I can be able to identify if we are bullish or not already. Silver, okay, I like this movement towards the downside. I want to see this zone, how it will react. If it reacts to the sense of a lot of respect to this level and we are pushing higher, I will be entering for silver. This one you see now we're going down. So this one overall it is still looks as a good bullish opportunity. Okay, for the market overall still it does look good, but from the smaller time frame side, if you can see, we are not really trading inside the level yet. Can you? Oh, sorry. Put my targets here. Okay, so I'm still interested to potentially enter this trade, but it will depend on how this zone holds or not. Okay, this level here. If it holds and I'm seeing respect of bulls, then okay, that's a good idea. So if not, then I will be waiting. Actually, I don't know why this zone make it so small. I think I accidentally moved my mouse before I start the live stream. It's actually here. Yeah, correct. Oh, my SL is here. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, okay, so this is the zone now. So we do have quite a bit of space for how price can potentially play out. Okay, but like I said, we never enter markets just because price go inside the zone. Okay, we will wait and we will see based on our execution SOP, is market doing what we like to see or not prior to entering. Most important thing is reaction. Market has to react in order for us to do the same. All right, I teach you guys this so many times. If you guys would like to learn how I do my personal analysis, okay, how I understand the markets, what is my personal trading strategy, my risk management plan, and many more, I do have my own personal 6-week trading course. That's right. So if you guys would like to learn what took me 3.5 years to learn, where you guys can potentially do it in less than 2 months' time, I do have my own personal 6-week course. So you guys can just reach out to me. I do have my WhatsApp link in the description below. You can also reach out to my Instagram handle. Also have links in the description below. I will later on add my TikTok handle so you guys can follow me there if you like to join the live stream during London session. Okay, you can reach out to me to find out more details about the course if you like. I would really appreciate that you guys give me a like on this video and subscribe to the channel as well if you haven't already, so that we can actually grow and grow even more, because there's a lot of new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. From the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate it so much. Okay, that's all, traders. I think I want to go and take a nap, right? I think not enough sleep really long. But stay safe. Okay, really watch out for the markets. Don't simply enter, react only when the market does the same. Catch you all very next live stream. Stay safe, traders. Very good night. Goodbye, guys.